I'll just show you how to stream your music from your phone through the audio system. Sometimes it can be a little bit complicated. I'll try and explain how. So if we go to iTunes, you'll see there the red triangle with the 3 red circles. Normally, if it was connected to the Mercedes Benz system, it would show, but you see there it's not. So with the thumb wheel, we click up to the top bar, onto audio, click audio. It says no Bluetooth audio device connected, and you see there at the bottom BT audio. So onto there, Bluetooth audio device list, click on there. Barry's iPhone, navigate to Barry's iPhone, click, and you see there it comes up. So it wasn't actually connected. That's how you connect it. Usually you only have to do that the first time. The next time you get in the car, it'll be your phone, or you can navigate to another passenger and listen to their music. But what's the point of driving if you're going to listen to somebody else's music? So on there, I'll turn this down. It's playing. On here, we'll turn it up. There you go, that's it playing.